Hello guys, Tina Colada Cat here, and haven't recorded in 3 weeks. Yeah, funny. I was going to do a reaction, actually not reaction, at Try Not to Laugh challenge of Funny Channel. I actually got on my iPad. Funny thing, well, this was on my iPad up 2 years, not this one. Almost a year, but can't watch it, and yeah, so you got, okay, I don't think this is me, so you go on your iPad, you've got channels, lots of videos, and then you look, it's exactly the same thing on PC, and it's completely different videos. It's big brain time, and also love you, Bella. And let's watch some mime shit, and we'll try not to laugh, though we'd just probably end the video. Probably going to be about 3 minutes or so, I think. Okay, so it's bigger, yay. God damn it, I get good editing. That was just for people, it has to be like a full-on laugh. Just laugh at that one. Almost get me. I'm not laughing. Oh gosh, again. Okay, 3 laughs and I'm not watching. That's what they did there. Okay, I also full on laugh. One more time. I don't know what happened there. Or just cutting out a bit. It's not the video cutting out, it's just the actual. Actually, it might be my actual thing. No, it's not. Okay, that's not really working, but it was funny. Oh, why not? Here I've seen this. I think I've seen this one before. She might be just be a plain old video. Final video. Why not? So that's nice. Okay. This one's not as bad, but this is really bad. Oh, I'm sorry I had to cut it through. This. Can't tell us this is playing on video. Or what they're doing is just moving the camera differently. It's making it shake. I don't know how this is funny. They're just doing something to their faces and the whole screen. Okay, let's start again. I don't know how people think that would be funny. They're just making it all look very strange. Sorry, but this is just such a shite. Okay, so this is funny. Okay, okay, I don't know what happened there. Okay, it's the last video, probably gonna. I must love you all. Probably skeleton. Oh, okay. I'm so funny. Ready. I'll rip the castle. Stole your missus. What you gonna do about it? Oh, I might watch this one right here. Yeah, I'm just watching this. I want one that I can laugh at. Doesn't look good, to be honest. That's not very nice. Like, if you're on a date with someone, you know, if I was with Ella, I would be like, okay, nice dinner at her house, no blood. Oh, I don't like this, so I'm just gonna throw it in my $1 million handbag, because why not? I would probably eat it. Or if it was nuts, probably eat around it, but it's fair enough. What a bitch. I was trying to make this 3 minutes, that's 10, but okay. Okay, it's just gonna be him for the last... Okay. Okay. Ear rape. Okay, it's probably gonna be funny. What, no shit. That is not science. That's not science, that's depending on the children's strength and how fat is the... I've just forgot what animal she is, but... that's not science, but it's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and also love you, Lola. And, yeah, okay, it was funny at the beginning, but this is just a bit weird. But bye.